Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. I'm gonna be honest and tell you guys that I have been struggling with filming. I have been sitting in front of this camera for a solid hour and a half, just trying to get an intro out, trying to film swatches, and it's been a battle. So I'm gonna get really raw with you guys here for just a moment and let you know that I am going through it today for some reason. I tried to film this full face that you see in front of you right now. I tried out a ton of new products from Pacifica. I had issues with my camera, everything was out of focus, and my patience, it's being tested today. I'm gonna share that with you. I also have this giant dry patch on the tip of my nose. No idea where that came from. I do use a retinol in my skincare. I've been using one for a solid 6 months now. I use tretinoin cream. It helps me with my hormonal acne, but I don't apply it here on my nose, it's just strange. Weird things are happening today, but nonetheless, I'm gonna try my hardest to just stay focused and get this video out for you guys. We are going to be reviewing and talking about the brand new glosses from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I picked these up on the day that they launched. Now, I don't know if anybody else experienced this when they were picking up their glosses, but Jeffree's website was doing something totally crazy. I feel like I have a hair right here. I'm a mess. You guys, today is a hot mess express. Anyways, I don't know if anyone else experienced this, but there was like a limit of 2 glitch going on the website. I mean, I'm sure other people experienced it. I doubt I'm the only one who did. So I ended up ordering 2 shades from Jeffree's website and 2 shades from the Morphe website. I wish I would have been just a little bit more patient because shortly right after that, BEAUTYLISH released them on their website. I love ordering Jeffree's products from BEAUTYLISH because if you spend over a certain amount, you're automatically qualified for free expedited shipping. You can get your brand new launches within like 3 days. It is fantastic. I have never had one issue with BEAUTYLISH. They are just on it. They're becoming one of my favorite places to order from. So I do have to give them a shout out. Not sponsored. It's just my genuine opinion. Obviously, I am wearing one of the glosses on my lips right now. I did do some arm swatches for you guys, as well as some lip swatches. I have so many thoughts on this product, you guys, and spoiler, it's all positive. So let's go ahead and just get started. Let's finally jump into this video and let's hope I can get through it this time. So as I stated, I picked up 4 different shades. I picked up the shade Diamond Juice. I also picked up the shade Candy Drip, Wet Peach, and of course the shade Crystal Climax. Now, of course, with anything with crystal in the name, I want to pick that up because Crystal is my name and I just get so giddy and excited when there is a product that has my name in it. I know that might be kind of weird, but it's the truth. It's the truth. Let's talk about the packaging. These retail for $18 a piece, and my goodness, the packaging feels so luxe and worth it to me. When you're paying $18 for a lip product, not only do I want the formula to be high-end and fantastic, but you know what? I want it to look pretty, especially with lip products. I am a sucker for packaging. I know that it's not totally what matters, but it is part of what you pay for, and Jeffree definitely delivered on the packaging. He did the same thing with his concealer launch. I mean, look at these. They are absolutely beautiful. I love it. Jeffree always puts a little bit of him in his products, and that is what gets me so excited. I feel like his launches are just getting more and more and more exciting and innovative, and it's like he's filling that gap that we have all been missing and longing for with products. Don't even get me started on the summer collection. I am so excited to pick up that Jawbreaker palette. My goodness, the mix of pastels. This review is not about that, but I just have to express my excitement for that launch. These lip glosses, you guys, are absolutely fantastic. When I got them, you best believe that I ripped them open and played with them and tried them and wore them and gave them a pretty good wear test. I wore them when I was at work, and I do have to say these glosses are very long wearing. That is the first thing that I do want to comment on as far as the formula goes. They don't feel thick or sticky. They are so comfortable, and I am a huge fan of the applicator. It's like this thin, long, I almost want to call it like a paddle doe foot applicator. It picks up the perfect amount of product. Right now on my lips, I am wearing the shade Candy Drip. I thought that it went perfect with this kind of purpley celestial eye look I have going on. Oh my gosh, it feels good on the lips. It's not drying. And I love the micro reflex of glitter. They just make your lips look so juicy and luscious. And one interesting thing I also want to say about the formula is that it fills in any lines. Like my lips look rejuvenated with this formula. It's not exaggerating lines. It's not settling into anything on my lips. It's just a beautiful, opaque, comfortable formula. I absolutely love it. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna show you guys some arm swatches, and then I'm also gonna go ahead and show you swatches of all 4 of these on my lips as well. All right, you guys, so here are swatches of the 4 shades that I picked up. I am very happy with the shades that I chose. Like I said, I kind of had a hard time because I really wanted all of them. They're so pretty, so reflective, and just juicy and extremely glossy. The first one here is the shade Diamond Drip. Then we have the shade Candy Drip, Wet Peach, and then Crystal Climax. So this one is the most opaque, the most pigmented, more of like a kind of bronzy metallic finish, whereas the lightest shade here, Diamond Drip, is going to be a beautiful topper, or if you just kind of want to use this to give you that glowy, juicy, full lip effect. These can also top lipsticks as well. So pretty. One shade that surprised me the most. Now, when I swatched Crystal Climax, I was a little bit worried at first. I was like, this looks a little bit too metallic for me, but I absolutely loved how this looked on the lips. I was absolutely shocked. Once I got it on my lips, it just looked absolutely beautiful, opaque, even, very, very beautiful. I do have to say, out of all of them, if I had to pick my favorite, I would have to say it's Diamond Juice. This is almost like Rihanna's 2 gloss bombs kind of had a baby, and then this came out of it, if you get what I mean. Because what's nice about this one is it kind of bridges the gap between these 2. This one is very, very icy. I picked up Diamond Milk. This is the Fenty Diamond Milk, and the Universal Gloss Bomb has a little bit more of like a nude finish to it. But this one is kind of like right there in the middle, where it doesn't have a lot of like undertone as far as pigmentation, but it gives you that micro reflect. It's just so beautiful. I absolutely love this. This would look gorgeous topped on pretty much any lipstick. It doesn't look too icy. It's just absolutely perfect if you are someone who likes something a little bit more subtle, or you like that no makeup look. You just want something that will bring a little bit of attention and juiciness and fullness to the lips. Diamond Juice is so universal. It would look beautiful on absolutely anyone. In fact, any of the shades that I picked up would look beautiful on anyone, any skin tone. The formula is so good, comfortable. I feel like my lips are actually being nourished with this gloss. Now, one of my favorite lip glosses I have talked a lot about on my channel, the glosses from ColourPop, are a staple, a longtime favorite of mine, but I always wish that they were more long wearing. And again, that is what I get from this formula. You're getting that super juicy, comfortable formula, but again, it's more long wearing, which I have to say that I absolutely love. For $18, this is definitely worth it. You guys, these were not sent to me. Again, I just want to confirm that and just reiterate that these were purchased with my own money. I am just a huge fan of these. They're so pretty. I have been keeping all 4 of them in my bag. They come with me everywhere because I love just randomly in the middle of the day, I'll pick one, put one on the lips, and I get so many compliments every time I wear these, especially at work, which is where I spend most of my time actually around other people. Otherwise, I'm a total hermit and I'm just inside with my husband most of the time. I am in love. Jeffree, I love this formula. I am so excited for what's to come with his brand. Like Jeffree or not, put all of that aside, his brand is fantastic. He delivers on quality, fairly priced. You get what you pay for with this. They feel even luxury to me. The packaging, the formulation, I feel like you're getting a luxury product for a more high-end price. Let's put it that way. If you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and of course, be sure to subscribe to my channel before you go. I love you guys so, so much. And before we go, as I was sitting here, I just got the sweetest comment on my Instagram. God damn, you guys, I can never talk. I can never talk. From a gal named Patricia. She said, I can't tell you how much I appreciate you and your channel. I wasn't the one that made the comment that upset you on the community cage. Let's try this again. A beautiful comment on my Instagram from my last photo that I posted from a gal named Patricia. She's one of my subscribers. She said, I can't tell you how much I appreciate you and your channel. I wasn't the one that made the comment that upset you on the community page, but I did make a comment saying something along the lines of, I want to get to the bottom of the Jaclyn Hill lipstick issue with confirmation from the FDA on exactly what is in the lipstick. However, your video was informative without bashing Jaclyn, and I respect that so much. It just reminded me of why I like you and your channel. Your channel is growing and you haven't changed or sold out for views whatsoever. Your channel is growing because you are good at what you do, and it proves you don't have to have clickbait or tea or any of that nasty stuff to be successful. I hope and actually know you won't change the more your channel grows, and I had to express how much I appreciate you and wanted to apologize if my comment got under your skin as well as on the community page. I just seriously want to know what actually is in the freaking lipstick at this point, which is why I wrote that. Please forgive me if I did offend you though. Also, congratulations on your marriage, and I'm happy you loved New York. I live in Jersey, so I'm there a lot, and it truly is a magical city. God bless, and thank you again for being you. First of all, girl, your comment did not upset me at all. You were not the person that I was talking about there, and I thank you so much for that. That was very, very sweet of you. Wow, what a fantastic comment. Stuff like that reminds me exactly why I do what I do. So, yeah. I'm on the tail end of my period right now. Stop it with those nice comments. It gets me going and gets my emotions going, people. So thank you so much for those kind words. I love you guys so much. Again, subscribe if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.